See you have
I brought
on.
in, I have the purple on, I brought in some of my CDs. This is just a tiny sample. We've got LPs at home. We've got cassette players because my first car had a cassette. And I have a number of favorites from, you know, Do Me Baby and Diamonds and Pearls. You have a favorite? Do you have music that your family would allow you to play?
You know, my brother, Ronald, who we celebrate in the musical, and we celebrate Whitney as well in the musical we're just launching. But one of the things that my father would never allow anything other than gospel in our household. So my brother Ronald would change lyrics. And so one of the songs that he changed the lyrics to, first thing that came to mind was, we would sing, "Latter rain, latter rain, yeah, latter rain, latter rain. Lord, we want you, need you, asking you to send your rain." So instead of purple rain, we sung latter rain.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. And we want him to continue to send those blessings to his family and to all the world.